and I have find some error on this method that I have used. First of all, you have to convert this into a string here, and you have to pass this, otherwise sometime it will get error. So I request you to get this string. And here one thing I will do here again, this will be short video on this, it will be uploaded soon. And here I will get, if I have current UID, yes, if from UID dot equals UID, then I could do many more here. Here I could place I could find here holder. I could write name view holder dot name view to u dot set text to u else this could be like this. I could also generate some value here, and this was my new drawable single message to outline. This will be like message outline, same as message outline, copy and single message to outline. Instead of this I will use more color. I will use this color. This could be copied, and let's see if I would get here. Yeah, now what I will do is message activity. Here I will set holder dot message view dot background, set background, r dot drawable dot single message to outline. I think this is background resource. Yeah, this is nice. It will show you user's name and something other. Something is there where it has been find that I don't need this. I have copied this again and again. Yeah, let's run it. I had get some problem, so I have deleted that message to outline. And here in activity message I have also removed background for now, for that if this is single message. Yeah, that was single message layout. Here I have removed the background of this, and I have added if my you will see the result here. If I have not sent this message, then it will show in this box, otherwise it will see like this. But it will not be nice one, so I will create new drawable resource. Say message outline. Here I will say it is save, and like single message I will it is single message holder, this should be safe. Yeah, this should be safe, and this will be 10. Here message outline will be same as this. Yeah, this should be 20. I have differentiated that one. Let's see single message, where this my single message layout. If it work again, I'll make background to drawable this line. Yeah, now it has been work for me. And let's make this text view, and this should be background message outline. Yeah, I should change this color of message outline, and I will make this color to darker one. Yeah, blue one, no blue one, and make this to this one, so that it could be differentiate between your message and the other users message in the chat. Yeah, let's run it. Now I should find some positive result for this. This could be a short video only for managing this. Again, this is why. I'll pause till it will build. Yeah, it is being installed in our phone. Let's see what difference we have find. Yeah, if you send this message, it will see like this, but this is same color, so it has not been seen. Let's change some color of this single message outline to some other one. 6 F control red. Change this color to, I will change this color to white one, absolute white. Yeah, I know that white one is. Yeah, let's run it. Now it could be differentiable. One thing, I will change this radius of this message holder outline to 20. And now you could see this effect here. Yeah, this is your message and this is by users, you users. Now if I again run this and I will log out and show you with different users so that you could find. If you have multiple of phones with your friend, you could install in your friend mobiles and you could chat at a time so that you could find the difference of those chattings, if the messages are properly sorted or not, where our app has been, and now it is looking quite good. You could make up to 50 so that it could be round one, but I don't need 50 more, because it is most perfect for me. Now it is not error, it will not give error for me. How are you, man? Let's send it. Yeah, it has been sent. Let's send it again. It will be like this. No, if it is doing right one, if you let's see that. Sender ID, user ID. Oh no. If you are, then if other than this, if you are, then holder dot message view. Let's set background resource order travel dot single. This is message outline. Yeah, this could be perfect because it was not working for me. Now we are fixing bug and it takes lot of time. It has been more time. Let's finish this lecture by last change. Now it is showing his, hey, yeah, this has been good, nice one. Let's log out and see about Kazi at the gmail.com 23456 login. Let's see chat, send message. Yeah, if you are you, then it will show, otherwise it will show in white. I will say it is from me. Yeah, it has been placed. You could, I have already told you that you could test with multiple of device with your friend, family or others. Thank you for watching this video. We will work on chat activity in upcoming videos, and if you have something new idea to do on this, then you could comment below. Thank you.